Good day everyone. Today we're going to discuss Quarter 2 Module 9, rewriting radical form to exponential form and vice versa. So another way of rewriting expression with rational or fractional exponent is through the use of radicals. So what they mean by fractional exponent? So you have the given expression, yung exponent nung expression mo is a fraction. So meron tayong numerator nun, may denominator. So our radicals are expressions containing the symbol square root. This one is called the radical sign. Ulitin ko this symbol is what we call the radical sign. Thus in this illustration, we have here this symbol as radical sign, yung variable or expression or base na nasa loob ng radical sign is what we call the radicand, and yung number na nasa labas or yung nakadikit nun sa radical sign is what we call the index. So, an expression with rational exponent of the form a raised to x over y can be expressed as y root of a raised to x, where x and y are integers. So, we have here the exponential form here. Exponential form, it's because the exponent are fractional exponent because the exponent is a fraction. May numerator tayong x and denominator tayong y. Pwede natin siyang i-write as y root of a raised to x. So, kung papansinin natin, yung base nating a, ang siyang nasa loob ng radical sign at yun ay tinatawag nating radicand. Yung numerator ng exponent mo, ang siyang power ng radicand mo. While yung exponent yung denominator ng exponent mo, ang siyang nasa labas, ang siyang tinatawag nating index. So, let's have an example. So, I have here 6 raised to 2/3. So, from here, your base is 6 and your exponent is 2/3. So, paano natin siya i-rewrite into radical form? So, sulat tayo ng radical sign. Let's write the radical sign. So, we have here this radical sign. And then, yung base natin, ang siyang tinatawag nating radicand. Si radicand ang siyang nasa loob ng radical sign. But then, hindi natin alam ano yung exponent ni x at ano yung index natin. So, looking back, we have here a raised to x over y can be written as y root of a raised to x. So, si x, ang siyang numerator ng exponent mo, ang siyang nasa loob. So, ito po yun. Mapupunta siya dun sa loob. Siya yung exponent ni 6. Samantala yung nasa baba, which is the denominator of your exponent, ang siyang nasa labas or siya yung index. So, this is your index. At ito yung power ng radicand mo. So, we have here 6 raised to 2/3 can be written as cube root of 6 squared. Let's have another example. Quantity s cubed raised to 5 over 6. So, let's simplify this first. So, let's apply the laws of exponent, power of a power rule. So, we have here s raised to 3 times 5 over 6. Again, the denominator of a whole number is 1. So, 3 times 5 is 15. S raised to 15 over 1 times 6 is 6. So, let's get the lowest term of 5 over 6. Let's get its factor. Factor ni 15. 5 times 3. Factor ni 6 is 2 times 3. So, we can simplify 3 over 3. So, kapag sinimplify natin si 15 over 6, that is 5 over 2. So, this is s raised to 5 over 2. Let's rewrite it into radical form. Sulat muna tayo ng radical sign. Yung base nating s, ang siyang magiging radicand. Next, yung nasa numerator ng yung exponent, ang siyang nasa loob. So, s raised to the 5th power, samantalang yung denominator ng exponent mo, ang siyang nasa labas. So, since 2 ito, no need to write, it's because this is read as square root. Automatic, ang index ng square root is 2. Let's have another example. So, we have here 5 times the quantity of 12m cubed and squared raised to 2 over 7. So, papansinin natin, ang naka-raise lang naman sa 2 over 7 ay si 12m cubed and squared. Therefore, sila lang yung nasa loob ng ating radical sign. So, drawing tayo ngayon or write tayo ng radical sign, ang nasa loob lang ay si quantity 12m cube n squared. Saan mapupunta si 5? Since hindi siya naka-raise sa fractional exponent, nasa labas lang siya. So that is a whole number. Now, sino yung exponent ng ating radicand at sino yung index? Yung nasa taas, ang siyang exponent ng iyong radicand. Samantalang yung nasa baba, ang siyang index. So, pag ni-write natin to, this is 5 times 7th root of the quantity of 12m cubed n squared raised to the second power. Now, let's have another given. So, we have here quantity x plus y raised to the power of 5 over 6. So, again, sulat muna tayo ng ating radical sign. Identify alin dyan yung radicand mo. So, here, our radicand is x plus y. Next, sino ang power or yung exponent ng iyong radicand at sino ang iyong index? Yung nasa taas na exponent, ang siyang nasa loob. Samantala, yung nasa baba ng exponent mo, ang siyang nasa labas. So, this is 6th root of the quantity of x plus y raised to the 5th power. Now, what if the exponent is raised to a negative number? So, let's recall the laws of exponent na kapag negative yung exponent, you just get its reciprocal. So, this is a whole number. Let's get its reciprocal. So, ang denominator ng whole number is 1. Yung nasa baba, ang siyang nasa taas. Ang nasa taas, ang siyang nasa baba. So, this is 1 over the quantity of 3a plus 2b raised to 2 over 9. Kapag kinuha mo na yung reciprocal nung negative, magiging positive na siya. Now, let's rewrite this one into a radical form. So, we have here 1 over, sulat tayo ng radical sign. Sinong ating radicand? That is 3a plus 2b. Next, sino yung exponent ng iyong radicand at sino ang iyong index? Yung nasa taas, ang siyang exponent ng iyong radicand, samantalang yung nasa baba, ang siyang index mo. So, we have here, the index is 9. 3a plus 2b is what we call the radicand, while 2 is the power or exponent ng iyong radicand.